This yoga content is created for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Please consult a qualified doctor or certified yoga instructor before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have any medical conditions, injuries, or are pregnant. Practice mindfully, listen to your body, and stop immediately if you feel pain or discomfort. Perform all exercises at your own risk. Let's go start. Tree pose, Vrikshasana. Improves concentration, strengthens legs, enhances balance and stability. Triangle pose, Trikonasana. Stretches legs and hips, reduces waist fat, improves flexibility. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stretches the full body, relieves stress, improves blood circulation. Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Strengthens the spine, reduces back pain, improves chest flexibility. Camel pose, Ustrasana. Benefits: improves posture, opens chest and lungs, increases Balasana. Calms the mind, reduces stress, gently stretches the back. Wind relieving pose, Pavana Muktasana. Improves digestion, relieves gas and constipation. Bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana. Strengthens back muscles, improves thyroid function, opens chest. Cobra Pose, Bhujangasana, strengthens the spine, reduces back pain, improves chest flexibility. Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog, burns fat, tones full body, improves blood circulation. Trikonasana, triangle pose, reduces waist fat, improves digestion, increases